Did you know that with just $100 and the right strategy, you could grow it into $1 million? Sounds impossible. It's not. It's the power of compound interest. In this video, I'll show you step by step how this financial miracle works and how you can start applying it today. Stick around, because this could change your financial future forever. Welcome to SmartCoin Chronicles. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful concepts in personal finance, compound interest. Albert Einstein once called it the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. Whether you're a seasoned investor or someone just starting their financial journey, understanding compound interest can be a game changer. Imagine this: with just $100, patience, and a solid plan, you could turn that small amount into $1 million over time. Sounds exciting, right? Let's break it down in simple terms so you can start leveraging this power today. Segment 1. What is compound interest? Let's start with the basics. Compound interest is when the interest you earn on your money starts earning interest itself. Here's a simple example. You invest $100 at an annual interest rate of 10%. After the first year, you earn $10 in interest, so you now have $110. In the second year, you don't just earn interest on your original $100, you earn it on $110 over time. This snowball effect grows your money exponentially. That's the magic of compounding. Segment 2. The formula for compound interest now. Don't worry, we'll keep the math simple. The formula for compound interest is E equals P1 plus R NNT. Here's what it means. A is the total amount after interest. P is your principal, the $100 you started with. R is the annual interest rate, let's say 10%. N is the number of times the interest is compounded per year, we'll assume once for simplicity. T is the number of years you invest. The longer you let your money grow, the more exponential the results become. Even small contributions add up over time. Segment 3. Turning $100 into $1 million. Okay, let's get to the exciting part. How to turn $100 into $1 million. Start early. Time is your best friend when it comes to compounding. Let's say you invest $100 at an average return rate of 10% annually. If you let it sit for 50 years, it could grow to over $1.1 million. That's without adding another penny. Contribute regularly. Adding small amounts over time accelerates the process. For example, if you add just $50 a month to your initial $100, you could reach $1 million in about 40 years, assuming the same return rate. Stay consistent. Compounding works best when you let your investments grow without interruptions. Avoid withdrawing money or reacting to short-term market fluctuations. Choose high-growth assets. Historically, stocks and index funds have provided higher returns. Reinvest your earnings. Don't spend your dividends or interest. Reinvest them to keep the compounding cycle going. Segment 4. Real-life examples. To make this even clearer, let's look at a real-life example. Scenario 1. You invest $100 in a savings account with a 1% interest rate. After 50 years, you'd have only about $164. Not impressive, right? Scenario 2. You invest the same $100 in an index fund averaging 10% annual returns. After 50 years, you'd have over $1.1 million. That's the difference compounding can make when paired with high-growth investments. Segment 5. Overcoming obstacles. I know what you're thinking. I don't have 50 years to wait. But remember, it's not about the exact timeline, it's about the strategy. Start now. The sooner you start, the better. Even if you're in your 30s or 40s, compounding can still have a huge impact. Be patient. Compounding is slow at first, but accelerates over time. Stay consistent and trust the process. Educate yourself. Learn about investing options like ETFs, index funds, and growth stocks to make informed decisions. Conclusion, and there you have it, the power of compound interest. By starting with just $100, adding consistently, and letting time work its magic, you can achieve incredible financial growth. If this video inspired you to start your compounding journey, hit that like button and subscribe to SmartCoin Chronicles for more practical tips on building wealth. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Start today.